Ever open your cabinet and lids just tumble out? Honestly, I used to dread finding the right lid. It felt like a daily kitchen scavenger hunt. Lids everywhere, stacked, shoved, falling over. I wasted time digging and matching lids to containers. Sometimes I'd just give up and use foil instead. But then I found the YouCopia StoraLid Organizer. This little game changer totally transformed my cabinet. It's designed to keep every lid neat and in place. No more balancing acts or messy stacks. The adjustable dividers fit all my lid sizes. Round, square, big, small, it handles them all. Setup is super simple. No tools, no hassle. Just pop in the dividers and start organizing. I slid it into my cabinet, adjusted the slots. Instantly, every lid had its own spot. Now I can grab the lid I need in seconds. No more hunting, no more frustration. My cabinets look so much tidier now, and I actually have space for other kitchen stuff. The StoraLid Organizer maximizes every inch of storage. It's sturdy and stays put, even when I'm in a rush. Perfect for busy mornings or meal prep days. I love that it keeps everything visible and accessible. No more lost lids hiding in the back. Even my family can find the right lid now. It's become a total kitchen essential for us. Let me show you how easy it is to use. Here's the organizer, fresh out of the box. I place it in my cabinet, fits perfectly. Next, I adjust the dividers for my lid sizes. Now I slide in my lids one by one. Everything stands upright, nothing slips or slides. Look how much space I just saved. I can even stack 2 organizers if I want. Cleanup is easier too. Just pop the lid back in. No more wrestling with a pile of plastic. I actually enjoy organizing my kitchen now. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference. The StoraLid Organizer is built to last. Sturdy plastic, easy to wipe clean. It blends right in with my modern kitchen style. Honestly, I wish I'd found this sooner. If you cook a lot or have a busy household, this organizer is a total must-have. No more clutter, no more chaos. It's perfect for home organizers and kitchen lovers. Even my kids help put lids away now. It's that intuitive and easy to use. I've recommended it to all my friends. They love how it streamlines their cabinets too. Plus, it's available right on Amazon. You can get it with fast Prime shipping. No need to hunt in stores or wait weeks. It arrives quickly and is ready to use instantly. I love products that solve real-life problems. This one definitely delivers on its promise. Less stress, more space, and a neater kitchen. If you're tired of messy cabinets, give the YouCopia StoraLid Organizer a try. It's affordable, practical, and looks great. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. So why not treat yourself and your kitchen? Click the link. Order yours today. Experience the joy of organized living. Because every lid deserves a home, and every kitchen deserves less clutter. Thanks for watching. Happy organizing. Don't forget to check out the StoraLid on Amazon. Bring order to your kitchen one lid at a time. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.